The interface of Adobe Premiere Pro consists of editing timeline, then the other color tab for different adjustment in color grading and tones of the videos. There are multiple transition and effects inbuilt, and templates can be downloaded and imported in the software. The software is available for both Mac and Windows platforms as a yearly subscription for $15 a month. The Adobe After-Effects adds animation to the video, giving it a more professional look. The inbuilt animation can be used, or new composition can be made, and videos can be edited with more creativity with the help of motion text and motion graphics. The pricing of the software is similar to other products from Adobe as a part of Adobe Creative Cloud. Vinci Resolve is the best software for color correction and audio tweaking, making it one of the complete software. But the interface is more difficult or too complex for a beginner. If you wish to edit some casual videos, I would suggest you to try for other softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro for Mac users. The software comes with a free version where you can get many creative features, and also a one-time purchase option where it is available for $300. Final Cut Pro X is a Mac exclusive software. It comes with an advantage being optimized for Mac hardware. It is a worldwide used software by professionals in the industry and can be termed as one of the polished video editing softwares. The performance of exporting and rendering the video is much better compared to other softwares. The software is available as a trial for 30 days and can be purchased for $25,000, which is a lifetime purchase. Our next video will be about the difference between raster and vector images. So make sure you subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the notification.